Ya, 5 hari lagi Indonesia akan menghadapi Australia dalam lanjutan kualifikasi Piala Dunia round ketiga di Sydney Football Stadium. Indonesia akan menantang Kanguru atau Socceroos. Nah, beberapa pemain tentunya hari ini dijadwalkan akan tiba. Salah satunya ini dia, El Preman, yang mungkin dalam waktu beberapa menit lagi akan keluar dari sini. Dan kita akan sambut bersama dengan Garuda Australia seperti apa kesannya, ekspresinya saat dia akan kita sambut. Dan juga gua secara personal juga akan mencoba untuk menginterview dia. Ya, walaupun dia nggak main, tapi luar biasa. Karena ya kalau ini nggak ada Arul Melintang, dia akan menjadi pemain pertama Indonesia yang akan touchdown di Sydney. Nah, selain itu juga ada satu interview eksklusif yang gue lakukan sehari sebelumnya. Ini akan gue tampilkan di awal video, di mana kemarin saat gue dan juga teman-teman dari Garuda Australia hadir di Perth ya, di Stadion HBF Park. Nah, itu namanya tuh. Saat itu Brisbane Roar menghadapi Perth Glory dan menang 3-1. Kita semua mendukung, men-cheers up Rafael Struijk, walaupun dia nggak main, tapi kelihatannya dia sangat senang menyambut kita juga menyambut dia. Dan tentunya juga ada wawancara eksklusif, nggak ada di mana-mana, hanya ada di channel Bung Harpa. Nah, nanti itu kan gue sajikan duluan, baru kemudian kita akan dengarkan apa komentar dari El Preman. Ada yang paling menarik ya soal tendang-tendang. Nah, seperti apa kalian penasaran? Tapi yang pasti hari ini, hari Minggu, dijadwalkan juga para pemain timnas yang bermain di Liga Indonesia, di Liga 1 pada umumnya akan bersiap-siap. Ini sesuai juga yang gue informasikan beberapa waktu lalu. Mereka akan bertolak dari Indonesia, dari Jakarta, dan dijadwalkan akan tiba juga di airport ini, walaupun bukan di sini ya. Di sini nih, sorry. Ini di Terminal Internasional. Di sini mereka akan tiba, dijadwalkan besok hari Senin sekitar jam 10 ya. Tapi ya kita simak ya, bagaimana interview Rafael Struijk dan juga Justin Upner only on channel Bung Harpa. Welcome to my channel. Oke teman-teman, baru saja gue mendapatkan sesi wawancara eksklusif dengan Rafael Struijk, salah satu penyerang tim nasional andalan Indonesia, tentunya menjelang pertandingan yang sangat menentukan di kualifikasi Piala Dunia round ketiga, di mana Indonesia akan menghadapi Australia tanggal 20 Maret nanti di Sydney Football Stadium. Dan saat ini di belakang gua adalah Garuda Australia dan juga pendukung tim nasional Indonesia yang ada di Perth, yang memberikan support dan dukungan di pertandingan yang baru saja berlangsung antara tuan rumah Perth Glory menghadapi Brisbane Roar, di mana Brisbane Roar berhasil memenangkan pertandingan tersebut dengan skor 3-1. Sayangnya memang Rafa tidak bermain sama sekali, tapi nggak apa-apa. Dan kita lihat bus yang mengangkut Rafa sudah meninggalkan HBF Park, stadion dari Perth Glory. Dan kita lihat dukungan dari fans luar biasa untuk Rafael Struijk. Tentunya kita berharap tanggal 20 nanti Rafael Struijk kalau dimainkan akan memberikan yang terbaik untuk tim nasional Indonesia. Bung Harpa dari Perth, Australia. Ciao. Hi Rafa, I'm Haris from Indonesia. Can we have like 1 minute interview, please? Okay. You run. Okay. Right here. Just quick some questions. Anyway, I'm Haris from Indonesia, from Pulau Doang. First of all, have you been called for the national team? So, what's your opinion about that?
Happy to be called up, of course. It's always good for me. I'm very proud and I can't wait to play the games and meet, of course, the new staff and see the players again.
Okay, how important the game against Australia from your perspective?
Very important. I think all the games are important, but you see the table now is very tight. And of course, these two games, so Australia and after that Bahrain, are very important.
So, did Patrick Kluivert made a communication with you, and what did he say? about this upcoming match?
Yeah, we've called, just to get to know each other, but that's about it.
Okay. Least minute play in Brisbane Roar. Do you worry that you're gonna lose your place in the national team because you, quite not get a minute play in Brisbane Roar?
Yeah, of course, it's a bad thing that I don't play a lot, but I try to keep working and keep pushing myself, and we will see if I play. I'm always ready and I'll always be there.
But at least you won the game today, at least.
Yes.
And the last question, it's when the training will be undertaken. Like 16 to 17, all will be together. The players.
Yeah, I think they travel tomorrow from Indonesia, and I will travel tomorrow as well to Sydney.
Okay, Rafael. Thank you very much, and good luck for you. Okay.
Thank you.
Justin, welcome to Sydney. Many people waiting for the game. So how is your feeling about the game in Sydney Football Stadium?
I'm confident that we can get a good result against Australia, because we showed in the other game as well that they are not better than us. So we're going to do everything we can, and I'm confident we can get a good result against them.
So you won't be able to play in the next game, right?
Yeah.
So what is your message to other players that are gonna play for a game?
No, I'm going to make sure that I help the team, that I support them. And like what I said, I'm confident they get a good result, and the most important is to get a win here. Like, we have a really strong team now, so we're not scared or anything. So we're gonna go for it, and we see what happens.
Regarding the new coach, I believe that you have already undertake the communication with him. Did Patrick Kluivert say something specific to you?
Yeah, I cannot say everything, but I had a good conversation with him. And I'm looking forward to work with him, and it's good that he is there. And help the team. So
The expectation from the fans is really high. Do you think it's a motivation or there's a pressure for you?
the pressure is always high, I think, in Indonesia, because they expect sometimes a bit too much, but it's good. It's good for us. We need to show them that we can win and beat Australia as well. So it's good. It's only good for us.
Last questions. Probably you're going to play against Bahrain.
Yeah.
So do you promise you won't kick any one of them?
I cannot promise. I cannot promise.
But you promise you will give your best, right? I believe.
Always. I will fight. I will give everything I have. We need to beat them.
Okay, Justin, thank you. You already fly really long, so
Yeah, thank you.
I don't want to take your time.